Hello again, Year 7. How are we doing? So it's our next lesson, adapted to feed. So we're looking at who eats who and how they adapted to do that, right? And then we'll look at some food chains and food webs later on in the next week and see what's happening in food chains and food webs. It would have been nice to do this in the outdoor classroom. Maybe we can go back when we go back to school. Okay, so just start my pen. Title, again, adapted to feed, C4. We're learning about adaptations, feeding, and there is quite a lot of key words in this topic too. So we can see actually a lot of them in bold. Textbook's really good, it helps you out like that, doesn't it? Producers, consumers. And actually in the for your notes bit, oh, where's my pen gone? The for your notes bit, down here, it's got the key terms and their meanings here. So there's duplication here. Make sure you don't do it twice. Carnivores, herbivores. So herbivores only eat plants, they only eat producers. Carnivores eat other things. A bit like us, we do both though, don't we? So we are omnivores, we do eating both producers and consumers. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 keywords there. Producer adaptation. So one of the key words we need to know is that producers contain a green pigment called chlorophyll that traps the energy and sunlight. That's how they get their food. And are there any more? I can't see any more in bold here. Okay, so once we've looked at the key terms, let's make sure without duplicating, we can put the whole of for your notes into your notes. Okay. Questions. This helps us read the text. Okay, so question A. We're going to name one producer, one herbivore, and one carnivore. So remember what they are. Let's see if you can name a producer. So a producer is a plant. A herbivore is an animal that eats plants. And a carnivore is one that only eats other consumers. An omnivore is someone who is an animal that eats both plants and other animals, other consumers. Okay, question B. Look at these photos. Here. Giraffe and an elephant. How do these animals get leaves and stems that are unavailable to most other herbivores? So what adaptations have they got that help them feed where other animals cannot? Okay. Question C. Wildebeest will trample lion cubs to death if they get the chance. Has anyone seen The Lion King? It happens in The Lion King. Well, not quite. But not Simba gets killed, the other one. What's his dad called? Mufasa. Anyway, wildebeest will trample lion cubs to death if they get the chance. How does this behaviour help wildebeest survive? Okay. So the answer is going to be prey adaptations. Yeah. What's the adaptation here that helps the wildebeest survive? What do they do? Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 keywords, and we've got 1, 2, 3 questions to answer. Okay, that should be in your notes. We'll discuss the answers together as a group. Thank you, guys. I'll stop sharing now.